Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play co-op in Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu. To begin your two-player adventure, simply ensure you have a second Joy-Con or compatible controller. With the second controller in hand, give it a quick shake. This action will instantly summon a support trainer, allowing a friend to join your journey through the Kanto region. It's a straightforward process to get started and share the fun. When a second player joins, they become a partner trainer, controlling a second Pokémon in battles. This means you'll have two Pokémon attacking simultaneously, significantly boosting your offensive power. Furthermore, during Pokémon encounters, both players can throw Pokéballs at the same time. This synchronized throw greatly increases your chances of a successful capture, making your journey much smoother. The cooperative catching mechanic offers a substantial advantage, as throwing two Pokéballs simultaneously provides a significant bonus to your catch rate. In battles, your lead Pokémon and the partner Pokémon will both attack the opponent in the same turn. This dual assault not only speeds up battles, but also makes challenging trainers and wild Pokémon much easier to overcome, enhancing your overall gameplay experience. When you wish to end your cooperative session, simply shake the second controller once more, and the support trainer will gracefully depart. It's important to note that the second player has some limitations. They cannot access menus, interact with non-player characters, or manage items. The main player retains control over navigation and inventory, ensuring a streamlined experience while still enjoying the benefits of a partner.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.